Hi guys, Santosh here. Just a quick overview for the gold for the today's session, which is 14th April 2026, Tuesday. Just before proceeding with the today's overview, if you look into the yesterday's price movement and my video, which I have posted yesterday for the gold overview, as I clearly mentioned that there is an passive absorption happening in this VWAP zone with this huge selling aggression, though the price is not moving to form a new low, which means some passive aggressive buyers has been absorbing some orders over here. But in later, this aggression has been exhausted, and even aggressive buyers pitched into the market, push the price even higher and makes a new high. And also, I clearly mentioned that this is day before yesterday's low. If the price pierces through this low and stays above this low for 5 to 15 minutes, then there is a higher possibility the price can able to reach to the day before previous day's high. Exactly, that is what happened yesterday, as the price pierced through this low, and it has been stayed over there for 5 to 15 20 minutes, which is a 3-minute candle this is. And once it has been stayed over there, it shows some acceptance and also with buying aggression, which clearly signifies that the absorption of buying activity happening. With that buying aggression, the price has been climbed towards the day before previous day's high, which is exactly around 4817 zone in gold futures. Similarly, the spot follows the same, but with a slight price difference. And when you come into today's activity, we can able to see the price has been continuously trading on plus standard deviation bands. Whenever the price comes to the VWAP, it is getting reverted back to the +2 standard deviation. There is a good scalping opportunity. Whenever the price comes to the VWAP, we can able to buy and putting a stop loss just below the VWAP or else -1 standard deviation, which is a white line. So the rhythm is on the upside, and also there is a clear rejection on the downside, and also we can see the acceptance on the higher side, new value zone. And also today's whole from the overnight session, this line is nothing but an overnight session. From the overnight session till the London session, which is marked as this blue line, till the London session, the price has been keep on trading on about VWAP, which is plus 0.5 standard deviation, or VWAP to the +2 standard deviation. So on the other hand, we can able to see that there is a huge selling aggression seen in the inventory recently in couple of hours, which shows some passive buying absorption happening in this zone, in the VWAP zone. Because if I see such a huge selling aggression in the inventory, selling aggression seen, but price not falling in the towards the lower band, it clearly signifies that passive absorption from the buy side, passive buying absorption around the VWAP level is happening right now. Even though the price is inventory is building up with aggressive selling activity, since the price is not pushing lower, even though with huge selling aggression, it signifies me to some buying aggression by some passive buyers absorbing this huge selling aggressive orders around the VWAP levels and trying to push the price even at higher levels. But I can't able to decide it is going to push higher, because right now the selling aggression also is present over there in the inventory, and that selling aggression is absorbed by some passive buyers. So passive buyers showing some strength right now. So I will be keenly looking into when this passive bias is getting exhausted, or else when this aggressive selling activity is getting exhausted. If this aggressive selling activity is getting exhausted, then I can able to see the similar move which has been happened over yesterday. some shift in the inventory, and the price pushes even higher towards the yesterday's high, day before yesterday's high, which has been tapped yesterday again, today again. If it pierces this level, again there is a higher possibility it can go to the next value area high levels, which has been happened a couple of days before, which is around 4871 from 4820, which is another 50 points rally. In gold futures, it is 4871, but in gold spot we can't able to decide on the same price levels, but the price movement is another 50 points, which is in gold spot as well. So I'll be looking for this inventory to exhaust first, and once I see some inventory exhaustion and getting some buying aggression, then I will go for a long opportunity, but not immediately. I will be looking for some pullback like this, how it has been happened just a couple of minutes before, couple of hours before. That is a good discount level to enter a long trade with a stop loss below the -2 standard deviation. On the other hand, when the price reaches to this level, which is the green line, which I marked as an yesterday's high, if the price goes to that level, I can see whether some more aggression is happening over there in the inventory or not. If I see some more aggression happening over there in the inventory, then I will try to short at this level by just keeping a stop loss above this high, which is very minimal, 5 to 6, 10 points stop loss with shorting at those levels. But right now, that activity is having less probability because there is a huge passive buying absorption happening right now. That's all. That's all for the today's view. To cut the long story short, I'll be looking for some exhaustion in the inventory to go for long, or else I'll be keep on looking some more buying selling aggression activity around this green line, which is high on the previous day value area low, to go for a short trade. Thank you so much.